my good friend. Leo tuko na winter nani?
Winter Osimiri.
Osimiri the ruler. We have something for you, Osimiri.
Which one is it?
I just need to ask you a question.
Okay.
Winter Osimiri, if you're given a chance to go to heaven, which person would you really remember or miss or even have?
Saying when I'm given a chance to go to heaven at the moment, the person I'll be yearning to see there.
Yes.
And I may say my grandmother.
Your grandmother.
Yes.
What is the reason?
No, that lady, I remember the things we used to share in the past when she was still alive. Some of them were funny, some of them were breaking, some of them were annoying. So like I used to do a lot of things with that lady. That's why each and every time whenever I think about her.
As you can see, the story is very sorrowful, very painful. So we want Winter Osimiri to tell us more about her grandmother. So your grandmother, ni vitu gani nyanya yako ulikuwa unamfanyia ama alikuwa anakufanyia hadi unamkumbuka saa hii?
I remember there's a time I switched off her phone, and then I told her that the ringtones were out of date. Sasa nikamwambia, akaniambia how can I do it? Nikamwambia it only needs 1,000 shillings. Sasa akanipea 1,000 shillings. Nikaenda nikamnunulia ringtones zingine na nikamwekea kwa simu. That was funny, but sasa unajua ni kama nilimkona.
So uliuzia nyanya yako ringtones?
Yeah, niliuzia ringtones na 1,000 shillings.
This is very funny. Alafu kitu gani ukamfanyia ingine moja?
The other thing I did, nakumbuka niliweka simu yake flight mode, as in airplane mode. And then akakuja akaniuliza the problem, nikamwambia ndio kutoa hiyo airplane mode unahitaji 1,500. You can imagine. So like she sent me the 1,500 and nikamtolea airplane mode.
This is very crazy. So winter unataka kuambia mtu ako hapo nje hivyo ameachwa na mtu wao, unaweza kumwambia aje Winter Osimiri?
Unajua life has to continue. Hata Bible inasema whatever has a beginning come to an end. Sasa vile watu waliumbwa tena lazima tu. So if somebody dies, you just have to accept that he or she is dead. And then if you want to mourn for a short time, ile grief ikutoke, isishinde kukubreak. And then you just recover and then move on. Forget about everything. Because people have to die. That's a fact.
Okay, Winter anasema people have to die. So we should move on and forget about the past. Asante Winter.
Okay, sawa, no problem.
Endelea kufanya shughuli yako.
Sawa.